Hello guys, today we are going to be learning on how we can troubleshoot our PC. For example, if you power on your PC and you have no display, so we are going to be learning on some basic steps on how we can troubleshoot our PC in case we have issue with no display, like you have no backlight, no image. So we are going to be troubleshoot. For example, you see this PC, you power it on, you put your power cord, and you see if you look, it's on. If you can look critically, you will see the power light is on, and we have our VGA well connected, our VGA well connected to it, and also it's well plugged behind the monitor, but there is no display. Also, if you can check on the cap lock on the keyboard, because if you want to check on the display of a keyboard of your PC or laptop, also if you check on the cap lock, if you press it, the cap lock light needs to turn on to indicate that yeah, you have a display. So you can see for this one, the power light is on, but we have no image, we have no light on our monitor. So we are going to be learning on some basic steps and procedure on how we can be able to troubleshoot this kind of error in case we have it. So first of all, we are going to turn off our PC. Either you remove the power cord directly or you use a hashtag to turn it off. And you are going to open our PC. Okay. This is the inside of our PC because there are there are stuff that can cause this issue. First of all, we have so many stuff that can cause this. Can be issue with RAM. It can be issue with the CPU itself, like the processor. It can be issue with the BIOS. These are the basic, um, the primary causes of like your PC not having display before you can go detail or deeply into like maybe diagnosing issue with motherboard. So we are going to be doing a normal procedure. First of all, we are going to try to reset our PC. The first basic step we're going to do is reset your PC. How are you going to reset your PC? You're going to take out your power cord and you disconnect, you remove your CMOS battery from your motherboard. You can see a CMOS battery which function for date and time. So you're going to remove your CMOS battery for your motherboard. You can see critically, you can see clearly. You're going to remove it to be able to. Okay. So you use anything to take it out. You can see this is a CMOS. You have taken it out, and how to reset your PC or your laptop motherboard. So we have removed our power cord and we have taken out our CMOS battery. So we are going to hold down our start button for 15 seconds to 30 seconds. 15 to 30 seconds. You hold it down steadily for you to reset the whole motherboard of it. So you're going to do like this. You hold it down for 15 to 30 seconds. After you're done, you release it and you do your testing again. You go back, you connect your normal connection. Um, we are still trying to troubleshoot. You remember each time you reset your unit, either PC or laptop, it's going to take some time to boot. If it's something, you might keep it for maybe 30 seconds and above because it's going to take some time to regain its memories and try to boot. So as you can see, even after resetting our PC, where we still didn't have any display. So this is the first procedure on how you can be able to troubleshoot your laptop or PC when you want to troubleshoot on display. So we are going to turn it off. And the next step is for us to have access to our RAM. There are some PC you easily have access to your RAM, but this one is a little bit somehow. This mine is out, so I have to follow the procedure on how to have access to my RAM. Not every PC you have to pass through all this to disconnect. So as you can see, we have our RAM. This we have two RAM slot, two DM slot. We have two RAM here. So we are going to remove both of the RAM, and we have to look for something like a tissue, a clean tissue, to be able to clean off the terminal and test the RAM separately. So you, when removing out your RAM, you have to hold the two edge of your RAM slot, your DM slot, to pull it out before you take out your RAM. You do it for the same. The edge, you pull it out, you take out your RAM, you see. These are DDR03, these are PC3 RAM or simply DDR03 RAM of different specs. So we are going to look for any tissue, clean tissue. You have to clean the terminal of the edge of it. So you have to clean it properly and make sure. So you'll be needing like a brush or a blower so as to clean your RAM slot. You have to clean it very well. Yeah, make sure it's very clean. And we have to test our RAM. You can put it in any of the slot of your choice. So we start up our PC. Bam, see, we have our display. So from this unit, it shows that the issue was with the RAM, but not that the RAM was bad. It's because the contact between the RAM and the RAM slot, it was blocked with dirt. So it just needs some cleaning from you. You just need to do some light cleaning and light maintenance. So I hope you learned something from this video, and don't forget to follow our page for more updates. Always remember to like and share our content. As you can see, our unit is working properly. Okay, so the error was not that the RAM was bad, but the issue was that the RAM was dating the this contact between the RAM and the RAM slot. That was the main issue with it. So remember to share our video. Thank you for watching.